Yay! What is that? Yay! Halloween stickers. Oh, Haley, how pretty.
Candy bar.
Oh, boy, that's your favorite kind.
What kind is it?
That chocolate kind, remember?
I love that kind.
I know.
Chocolate bar.
Oh, yum.
And lipstick.
Boy, Aunt Jan and Uncle James sure know you.
Smells like licorice.
It does?
And wedding sticks.
Oh, Haley, that is beautiful.
Get it on there.
I bet it's a bracelet. We'll look at it in a minute. Well, I'll take it off for you, okay?
Sucker.
Oh, yum.
And more of these stinkies. There's more and more. Whatever's coming in these
Oh, what are those, Haley?
M&Ms
No. Reese's.
pieces.
Yes.
And that more.
Yay!
And that's not all. And another sucker.
Oh.
And more bubble gum.
Oh.
And more bubble gum. And party play.
Woo! What do you say to Aunt Jen and Uncle James?
Thank you.
Can you blow them a kiss?